That's the way we go.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Park the car, and now coming into the village. That is an incredible house. Every angle covered. The start of our walk is in Pembridge, St Mary's Church. Please do not sit on the sheep. It's the bell tower. How very strange. What a beautiful church. All laid out for the harvest. These are all the Pembridge tapestries completed by people. Leaving the church, coming back into the village. Hidden just off the high street is this astonishingly old building. It's the marketplace. Cyclist's worst nightmare, the kissing gate. Oh, electric vehicle. New sheep. Dark wool with a white face.
Oh, this is a bit of a high one.
Blimey. Diagonally right across the field, it says. I don't think many people come this way, even though there are a few ATV tracks. So you can get through, but they've chained it, so you're just gonna have to climb over it. Bridge over the River Arrow before we turn. It's a bit low. Here's our turning. The lean, it said. That's quite an old farm. Lots and lots of pheasants. We've seen this stack of wood for about a mile on the old disused railway. There's a lot of wood. This is a bit of a guard dog, this one. Hello. you the guard dog? Not quite sure where this guy's going. It's been about a quarter of a mile. Coming into Eardisland. Oh, what a beautiful bridge. Wow, beautiful. So these incredible old buildings. You have to be in your 50s and 60s to even know what this is. But interestingly enough, it's the oldest AA box in the country. Wow. This is a kissing gate dedicated to these two gentlemen. I've never really seen this before, but this walk, each gate you go through, is dedicated to one or two fallen soldiers from the First World War. So, very different. So, just doing a walk between two of these black and white timber frame villages. On the map it looked like it was a walk either side of the river, but actually one side is just really walking on roads. So if I did it again, I would just do one side of the river, which is through fields, and just go backwards and forwards. But they are certainly old houses. And Eardisland, they certainly lay out what houses are where and how old they are and so forth. But it is a nice walk. All those pond skaters. Zoom, 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 zoom. Quite a nice view. Getting into the autumn, so the leaves are turning. That's the way we go. I think they got to be horse jumps or a practice area for something, because you go through that gap, turn right, and you get to the other ones. These are my favourite paths, right through the middle of a field. And we've actually got somebody coming the other way. Nice and easy. Across the field. A quiet finish coming up to the bridge.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.